Hello friends, now here we are in the chapter 1 of the 6th standard mathematics. So this entire playlist belong to the 6th standard student for learning the mathematics from beginning to end. So now we are in the chapter 1 and our lesson is knowing our numbers. So my dear student, in the previous classes like 3rd, 4th, 5th standard, you already learned the number system. So you have learned the digits like 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So these are all numbers. By using this number, you can do the various things. You can do calculation, you can count the things. So we will see first here, the first point is what is the number, what is the use of numbers. So here, suppose if I draw two object, that is suppose if I draw two box, you can say two rectangle. So here how many rectangles are there? Definitely 2. It means the primary use of number is to count object. Okay, here I note it down, to count objects. So by using number you can count the object. And the second thing is, by using number you can do calculation also. For example, if I tell you you have 5 pens and again you are getting 4 more pens, so how many pens are there? Simply 9. So by using numbers you are able to do the various calculation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So you can use the number in our day-to-day life for financial purpose, business purpose, many things. If you don't know the number, then it's very difficult to you to do any kind of calculation, or you even cannot do the small businesses, you cannot deal with business or any other things. So that's the reason it is very essential to know about the number system. Next point is comparing number. So comparing number means you have to know what exactly the difference between the two number. So friend, suppose if I write two number 12 and 10. So in these two number, definitely 12 is greater than 10. So in this comparison, how you identified which number is greater? Because you have observed their digit, you have observed their places. One more example I am giving you. Suppose first number is 9 and second number is 12. So between these two number, 12 is definitely greater number. Why? Because we have here two digits, here we have only one digits. Okay, so whenever we do the comparison of number, we count total number of digits. Okay, we count total number of digits. One more example, suppose 100 and 10. Which number is greater? Definitely 100. This is the greater symbol. 100 is greater than 10. How you identified? Because here how many digits are there? We have 3 digits and here only 2 digits. Okay, so you have to simply count the number of digits, and because of that you can easily identify which number is greater. Okay, but suppose in one more example you have two number like 25 and 31. Now here you will get confusion because in both the numbers 2 digits are there. Now how you can identify which number is greater? You from left hand side you will check the number. Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. Which one is greater? 3 is greater. So that's the reason 31 is greater than 25. One more example, 221, 229. You check both the number, equal number of digit 3 and 3. Now how you will identify? Here in the left hand side we have 2, so we are not in situation or in case to identify which number is greater. In second one also we have same number, both side 2, but in the third place from the left hand side, here we have 1, here we have 9. So 9 is greater, so that's the reason 2 to 9 is greater than 2 to 1. So in this way you can easily compare the number. Two things you have to keep in mind. These two things are to count total number of digits, okay, and from the left hand side you have to identify which digit is greater. Now our third point in this lesson is how many numbers can you make. So suppose if I give you 2 and 3 digits, my question is how many digits you can make. So by using 2 and 3 you can write 23, you can also write 32. So you got 2 digits, okay, you got total 2 digits. So in this part you will be getting some number like 1, 2, 3, 4, and they will ask you, you have to make 4-digit number. So you can make 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also make 4, 3, 2, 1, okay. So you can make any 4-digit number. So here in this type of exercise they will give you some numbers like suppose 9, 2, 1, and then they will ask you have to make greatest number. So as you know, greatest number start with the greater digit. So in this 3 number, which one is greatest number? 9. So you will write 9 first, then second greatest 2, third greatest 1. So your greatest digit number is 921. And suppose they will ask you to make the smallest number. So you will write 1, then 2, then 9. So this is the smallest digit number. Got it? Now friend, after this introduction part we will focus on some exercise, and these exercise have given in your textbook also. So here in comparing numbers, some exercise are given in your textbook. So first one is find the smallest and greatest number in the each row. Okay, so in the first one they have given some number. First we will find out the greatest. So in the greatest criteria, first you will find out which number is having more number of digit. Here we have 3, here we have 4, 2, here we have 5 digits. So ultimately this number is greater, 59785. Now we will see which number is smaller. So here in this number we have only 2 digits. So smallest is 18. Now here we solve that. Now we move on the second one, and here we will find out again greatest number. So here we have 5 digits, and here we have 4. So here 3 digits, 4 and 3. So in this number we have total 5 digits. So greatest is 89423, and here smallest is, here you see 100 3 digits, 310 3 digits. So you have to check their first digit. Here 1 3. So which one is smallest? 100. Now third one. Here you clearly observe 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits are there. So greatest is, I am directly writing now. And which one is smallest? Here we have 3, here we have 3. In first place, here we 4, here we have 4. So smallest is 111. And here in the fourth one, greatest we will find out. Here we have 5 digits, here 4 digits, in rest of the number 4, here it is 3. So greatest is, so here the greatest number is 12002. Once again I repeat, in this number system, here 4 digits, 4, here 4, here 5, here 3. So greatest is 12,002. And now smallest is, here we have 3 digits, so smallest is 1 to 4. So now we go in the next exercise part. How many number can you make? Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So we have already seen in the introduction part, we have the 4 number 2874. Now here once again I repeat, without repetition make the greatest and smallest. Means suppose this particular digit is there, you cannot repeat more than 1. 8 cannot repeat more than 1. 7 cannot repeat more than 1. 4 cannot repeat more than 1. Means any digit you have to use only once. So we start with the greatest number. Okay. G means greatest, S means smallest. So greatest means I start with greatest number 8, second greatest after 8 7, third 4, smallest 2. So our greatest number is 8742. Now for smallest the procedure is reverse. Okay, you can just make that number in reverse order, or otherwise you can check here smallest number 2, then 4, then 7, then 8. So this is what smallest. Now here greatest number, same procedure, 5 is greater, then 4, then 3, then 0. Smallest. Now many students what they will do here, they will write 0 because 0 is smaller, then they will write 3, 4 and 5, but it is wrong because no one number start with the 0. It's a 3 digits number. So here your correct answer is, you should not use 0 at the beginning. So 0 you have to skip. Next smallest is 3, and after that you have to use 0, then 4, then 5. So you keep in mind, you cannot start with 0. You skip 0 and find out smallest number 3. Then after that you write 0, then rest of the small number. Next exercise. Now make the greatest and smallest 4 digit by using any 1 digit twice. Here you have the freedom. You have to make greatest and smallest 4 digit number, and you have to use any 1 digit 2 times. First we will find greatest. So 8 is the greater number. Okay. So once again greatest and smallest 4 digit number they are asking. 4 digit number. 1 digit you can use 2 times. So for greatest number, so here I will prepare 8 because 8 is the greatest. So I will use 2 times, and rest of the number, next greatest is 7 and last is 3. So this is our greatest number. Okay. What we did, first we calculated greatest number, that is 8, and we will use 2 times. Okay, because it's a greatest, so that we will find out the greatest number. Then 7 is the second greatest, then 3. Next one smallest. For getting smallest number is 3. I will repeat one more time. Then 7, then 8. This is 4 digit smallest. Here 9 I will prefer 2 times, then 5, then 0. Then smallest you cannot start with 0. Okay. So second smallest is 5. And here we will calculate smallest number. So after that you immediately use 0. So 0 I will use 2 times, so that I will get the smallest number. Because after 0, if you use the other number like 9, 5, you will get the we will not get the smallest number. So whenever 0 is there, some confusion will be there. You don't start with the 0, you take second smallest number like 5. Then after that you can repeat 1 digit 2 times. So I am using 0 2 times. Then make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number using the 4 different digit with the condition. Condition will be given here. So first one is digit 7 at the ones place. So here digit is already in one place, and you have to find greatest and smallest number. Okay, you can use the number, any 4 numbers you have to use. Here the questions I repeat again, make the greatest and smallest 4 digit number using 4 different digits. So here 7 is already present in ones place. So for getting greatest you have to use 9. Then because 9 is the greatest number, 8. 7 is already given, so 6. So this is very easy way to find the greatest. Smallest start with 0, but as I told you, 0 you cannot use in the first place, so you can use second place. Then 1 is there and then 2 is there. Very simple. Then here second one, here the digit 4 at tens place. Okay, so digit 4 at the tens place means this is the ones, tens, 100, 1000 place. So here it is at tens place. Then for getting greatest simply use 9, 8, 4 is already given, 7. Then here smallest you cannot use 0, so use 0 at the second place. Use 1. Then you already use 1, you didn't use 2, so simply write 2. Then 9 at 100 place is already given, you have to find greatest. Now 9 is already given, so simply use 8. Then 7 and 6. Smallest, you cannot use 0 here. Okay, so you here 0 you cannot put because already 9 is there. Here you simply put 0. And here you use 1, then 2. Then last one, 1 at 1000 place. So here it is already present. So greatest means simply use 9, 8, 7. Smallest means it is started with 1. So 0 you use after that. And after 0, 1 is already used, 2, 3. So in this way you can make the greatest and smallest number by keeping the number from 0 to 9. 0 you cannot start from the first place from the left hand side. You always keep it in the second place from the left hand side. So I hope friend you understood these examples. In the next part we will touch with the next topic. And after seeing this video, I request you just practice one more time for the better understanding, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting the notification of the next tutorial. Thank you.